gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
What's up, YouTube? You already know what's going on. It's the Big Mike, aka Life with Mike. And today, we'll be doing a welcome to snow vlog. So y'all know, we out of school. And we got out of school on 2 extra days because it's a snowstorm. It's a snowstorm of where I stay at. So, Claudette. So, we, over here, we out for Tuesday and Wednesday, and we go back Thursday. But we was already out for Monday because Martin Luther King Day. But I was so mad that they canceled the parade that we had in our city. But I know I've been gone for a little minute. I'm back. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Road to 200 subscribers. Turn on the notifications on so y'all can know every time I post a new video. And I will show y'all the snow, like in a while, because I can't show y'all right now because I just got the shower and I'm not trying to get sick, even though I'm already sick. So like, why would I get extra sick? But I do want to take pictures because I got a whole outfit. Y'all already know how I am. I love to take pictures. Love to, Claudette. But yeah, I like literally to take pictures, but my hair is kind of semi-old, so it's not that old, but semi-old. But y'all know braids be looking old in 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm just chilling. How y'all been? Like, how y'all been? Like, I'm washing my covers right now for my bed and stuff like that because I just got home like yesterday, and you know, y'all, like the first, like I woke up at 8 o'clock today and I went outside and it was snowing, like literally snowing. And then I come back, I got the shower and everything. Bro, it's literally like snowing. It's snowing a lot, like a lot. Like a lot, for real. Like a lot. A lot. But yeah, I know I've been gone for a little minute, but it's okay, y'all. Like, it's literally okay. It's alright. But, and this morning I had ate me an egg sandwich. It was a bussin'. Like, literally bussin'. But, yeah, I'll show y'all my outfit in a minute, too. So y'all won't be a little confused. But I'll get back with y'all.
Jealous. We in the bag and we might give it to ya. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like is it over. She gets down just like is it over. Run the block, she's not holding shots. That dish bag, watch her blow. It's the way.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So, bro, all day, I literally been in the snow, like, I literally just showed y'all, like, the last clip gonna be me in the snow showing y'all. Y'all know how y'all lay on the ground and just move your legs and feet? I forgot what it called, like a snow angel or something. I think it's called a snow angel, but I did one of those, too. But, yeah, it's really cold out there, y'all. We got some snow in South Mississippi. What? And then we got a lot of snow. Literally got a lot of snow. My mama is so excited. So it's me. I'm very excited because, like, I cannot stay from outside. I keep going back and forth, in and out, in and out, in and out. I'm getting outside. I'm already sick. So, like, excuse me, but I'm already sick. That's why my mom told me to put on some boots and a coat. But this jumpsuit already long sleeve, but she still want me to put some stuff on. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get this. What's the name? My boots is. I just keep running back and forth in my boots is leaking water. So I might keep this on my ground so it can stop leaking water. But yeah, cause it's leaking water. But yeah, I'm having fun though. I'm really having fun. I took pictures on Instagram. Simply by your 3 is my account. Make sure y'all go run that up. We're on the road to 200 subscribers, and yeah, it is what it is. I'm just surviving through the cold. Surviving through the cold. But yep. But it ain't nothing but ice. My mama already talked about some track and snow through her house. It's literally nothing but snow. Snow turned into what? Ice. Water. Like, water. You could just mop that up or wipe it up with a towel. It ain't nothing. But right now, I'm just sitting here doing laundry at the same time. I'm washing my covers off my bed. So, yeah, and at the same time, I'm trying to build a snowman. So, I'll get back with y'all, and I'll show y'all my snowman when it get done, or maybe. Alright, what's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm still chilling for right now. Like, I'm chilling. Came inside from the snow. It's about like 5:34 now. It stopped snowing now. Like, that's it. Like, that's it for today. It stopped snowing. That's it. That's all we're gonna get today. But we have got a lot of snow this year. Like, we have at least got like 12 inches of snow. Like 10 to 12 inches of snow. Literally. In South Mississippi. So, that was a good thing. I liked it. Now, I've been playing in the snow. Now, I got so tired. Like, I'm so tired now. But I'm gonna edit this video for y'all. This video was a W. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn y'all notifications on so y'all can know every time I post a new video. And I'm back, for real. I'm back, but I had fun in the snow. Really fun. And I had some flicks. But, bye.
Never gotta sweat that. You could bet that. Never